Good morning guys, so I'm just walking alongside the Rideau Canal just behind me here, and basically part of the canal is frozen over and a lot of people go to ice skate on it, which is a very famous thing to do here in Ottawa. So I rented some skates from the hostel. I'm going to do a bit of skating. I do have to bear in mind as well, I'm actually not a great skater at all. Pretty much I'm still a beginner, but sure, it's all for the fun of it anyway. So don't mind the mad helmet here, but I had absolute blast doing that today. It was so much fun. I'm not the world's greatest skater, but you know what? It was still really good. It's like, for anyone who's a beginner skater, it's not the easiest rink to learn, I'll be honest. Like, there are bumps and cracks. There was a river at one stage, so it's not completely flat like an artificial rink. Plus there's no wedges for you to hang on to, and it is a bit of a challenge, but so worth it. It's so much fun. So I'm just walking back to the hostel now, so if you like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and also hit subscribe as well to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.